so
order filled.
today's OPEX, and we have a bunch of economic releases, but look where we are, right? We're right in the middle of all this nice distribution. This is the 7th day or 8th day if we count that holiday session of balance, the same area, right? So we are right now inside value, inside yesterday's range. So to make it easy, what I'm going to be looking for is break out of value from yesterday. So if we break below yesterday's value area low, look for a short. In here I'm looking for a look below and fail. So if we break below the overnight low and yesterday's low, I'm looking for this thing to get down and then fail to hold below, and then look, I'm going to be looking for a long if we get back into the range. If that doesn't happen and we hold below that low, then I'm going to be looking for a test of value area low from this session, which is at 68.32, and this is a support area where I'm expecting buyers to show up here. If they don't, obviously from here look for shorts into that quarterly pivot and possibly this two lows and that balance target at 67.73. The market is only pricing 30 points, so I have these levels, but I'm thinking that we're gonna we should see some buyers here at 68.32 or 68, you know, this area, right? 68.80 is still the magnet. That's the 20-day point of control. Above it, it's going to be a little harder because we have all this volume from the overnight session that then we sold from. But because it's OPEX, because we have a bunch of news, and it wouldn't surprise me if we just get through levels pretty easily with the order flow that's going to be coming today. So value area high, if we break above it, look for a move back to take the overnight high. 6900, there's still a little bit of resistance, so maybe stalling there, but if we get above that, then we have this untested point of control from a couple of days ago at 69.18, I think it is, and then more resistance here at 69.30, which is that low volume node, and the bottom of those single prints. At that point I'm going to be looking for shorts, but overall it's likely to be fading the edges kind of day. But because it's OPEX and because we have those news and because we have the tariffs, the Supreme Court tariffs opinion today, so anything can happen, right? So gotta be ready for all scenarios. Also during OPEX we tend to have some moves early and then kind of pin or backwards, or pin right at the open, like not move much, and then move towards the end of the day. So just keep that in mind. Keep in mind that today is not going to be a day like other days, right? It's going to be based on all this new positioning and adjustments and news and all that. So it's Friday, so protect your profits if you have them. Don't try to make your week today, because today is not gonna be likely not gonna be an easy day to trade. Silver and gold have been rallying again. Not rallying, but they're up considerably. Silver's up 4%, gold's up 1.5%, 1.3% actually. Like I said yesterday, that was a little bit of resistance here. 76 is the point of control. We tagged it, and then I said that if we move up, that 82 was gonna be the target to look for. We're not there yet, but that's the area we're looking to tag this morning. Gold, the same thing. I said above 5,000. Look for this 50. I forgot what I said yesterday. I think it was 50.60, but this 50.80 is likely to be tagged today or tomorrow. Above that, there's a lot of untested levels since we sold off from the all-time high, so I wouldn't be surprised if we make another attempt in the next few weeks to make new highs or to retag those highs. Crude had a nice day yesterday, but now it's consolidating over here. That's going to be dependent on the Iran situation. I'm going to be marking here 65.60, which is going to be the current support. If we get below that, then 65 is the first target with a little bit of support there, and then 64.20. And then 62.80 is the 20-day point of control if it sells off and comes back down after everything is good in the Middle East. Okay, I think that's about it, because like today is gonna be mainly a day of waiting for all these headlines. And then watch the OPEX flow. There's also some funds that roll some Nasdaq positions at some point in the afternoon, so that causes a decent move usually. The QYLD or QLYD, I forgot which one it is. So keep that one also in mind, and basically be careful today. All right, good luck.